Welcome to our Ocean Campus classroom. Let's explore how to make learning more exciting through storytelling, art and crafts, and movement activities. These tools help young learners engage with numbers, letters, and colors in a way that feels natural and fun. We'll use stories to introduce key concepts, encourage learners to recognize the numbers, letters, and colors while connecting them to objects and nature. Stories also serve as great conversation starters, helping develop language, critical thinking, and visual literacy. After the story, learners will create something with their hands to reinforce what they've learned. This process deepens their understanding, supports fine motor skills, and encourages creativity. We'll tie everything together with a fun physical exercise. Movement helps strengthen memory, improve coordination, and build social skills while keeping learners engaged and active. By combining these approaches, we make learning meaningful, interactive, and enjoyable. We hope these lessons inspire new ideas for your own classroom. Let's bring learning to life together. You can use any storybook and find a color, letter, and theme that aligns with your lessons. This allows for flexibility, creativity, making learning more engaging and connected to the classroom focus. My Wild Pets. Sabah the sea star. Her name is Sabah. She is an orange sea star gliding along the ocean. Some people call her a starfish, but she prefers being called a sea star because she's actually not a fish. She has 5 arms. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Her arms help her to move and to explore her underwater home. If she loses an arm, it can slowly grow back again. She sees a shadow. It's a diver and she wants to hide. The diver picks her up and takes her out of the ocean. Hermit McDermott, the hermit crab. He lives in the touch pool at the Two Oceans Aquarium. He hears Sabah crying. He then explains to Sabah she is in a very special place, the Two Oceans Aquarium touch pool, where she'll get fresh seawater and delicious food to eat. Sabah then decided to be brave so that the visitors of the aquarium could learn all about her. Tali was excited for her visit at the aquarium. She was going straight to the touch pool. She loves visiting the aquarium. She's excited to see who's at the touch pool today. She sees a beautiful sea star, but she remembers that she has to be gentle. She had an amazing experience at the aquarium. Tali went home to go and fetch her pet cat Tando. Tando was going with her to a playdate at Gio's house. Gio was excited because he loves camping, and they were going to set up a camp in Gio's garden. We meet Olita. Olita loves living in Gio's garden because he keeps it safe and litter-free. So we must respect wild animals by letting them find their own food. And always remember, never remove wild animals from where they are staying. As you can see here, Sabah is placed back into the ocean, safely returned by the diver. You will need a red and yellow piece of clay. Take equal parts of red and yellow clay. Knead and blend them together. Knead and blend them together until you get a smooth orange color. Adjust the shape by adding more yellow for a lighter orange or more red for a deeper orange. Roll the clay into a ball and slightly flatten it. Gently pinch and shape the arms, making them slightly tapered at the tips. Curve and add slight bends to make it look more natural. Leave it in a safe place to dry completely. Remember, you can use a storybook, puppet show, exercises as inspiration for your crafts. Let the stories, characters, and themes spark creativity. Use what you have around you, whether it's recycled materials or plant materials. Stand tall with feet together and hands on your sides. Stretch arms overhead, reaching high like a sea star waking up. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathing out, making the s sound. A deep breath in and slowly breathing out, making the s sound. Jump up, spreading your arms and legs wide like a sea star. Repeat 5 times, counting aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By connecting storytelling, creativity, movement, and repetition, we create a multi-sensory learning experience that helps keep young minds engaged. Repetition is key to early learning. When learning is interactive and playful, children absorb information more naturally and feel excited to explore new ideas. We hope this approach sparks creativity in your classroom and inspires learners to connect with the world around them in meaningful ways. Let's make learning an adventure, one story, craft, movement, and repetition at a time.